And right now, the city is working to sort out kinks in its newly launched interactive debris pickup map. The tool has been a work in progress while solid waste crews work to clear the streets. Katira Winfrey is live to explain how the map is expected to work. Katira, is the map working right now? Because there's been some problems this morning.
Well, Tracy, no, the map isn't working. The city actually launched the map just yesterday, but this morning there seems to be a hiccup in accessing it. Now, we did reach out to the city of Houston to figure out why that connection is lost. However, once it is back online, you'll be able to track or find out when your neighborhood will be up next. Now, the city of Houston says after May 16th storm blew in, enough storm debris piled up to fill up half of NRG Stadium. And they say for the next 90 days, crews will work to expedite the removal. The interactive map, once back online, will use a map to show areas where collections will happen or have already happened. The city says users will be able to type their addresses in the search tool to figure out a rough estimate on when crews will get to them. In the meantime, right now, if you need storm collection or debris pickup, they're telling you to call 311 rather, or visit houstonsolidwaste.org. Reporting live in Houston, Katira Winfrey, KHOU 11 News.
Really important information there. Thanks so much, Katira.